So every real estate agent or every professional needs headshots, right? Photos of themselves to be able to put on blog posts or whatever. What is the traditional process for headshots? And for me, it's probably book the photographer, go on a crash diet, exercise like crazy, think about a creative brief, or let the social media manager think of a creative brief, tan, hair, nails, shopping. You need new outfits for new headshots, right? Shoot day, wait. Like that's a big step. And then photoshopping by the photographer. We'll select some photos, we'll hate them, more photoshopping, sell a body part to pay for them, more waiting, and then pay the photographer eventually. I mean, I don't know if that's just me. It's a bit of a lighthearted way of looking at getting headshots, but that's what we've done in the past. AI first, new headshots. Take off decent selfie, upload it, prompt, refine, download. That's it. So this is actually a professional photo of me. I said, all right, enough black. Can you give me a pink jacket? So it gives me a pink jacket. All right, I don't want the podcast microphone in my way. Take it away. And then make me sparkly like Leanne Pilkington. Took a selfie of myself. So I said, make it, give me an 80s shot instead of give me a corporate headshot. And there I am with the big hair in the 80s. What I really super encourage you to do is let your imagination run wild. Like there has never been a better time to be a real estate agent. Like I've got a photo here that is the outdoors and it's got a flamingo in the pool, because are you even Gold Coasting if you don't have a flamingo floating in your pool? And so I asked for a dusk shot. There's a dusk shot. I want some renovation ideas. There's that hallway reimagined. And there's so much that you can do if you sort of let this, go crazy.